Hy-Vee Aisles Online is a safe, secure, simple way to get your groceries. Let's walk through the ordering process. Launch your internet browser by clicking the icon on your desktop. Common browsers include Safari, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Firefox. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar at the top of the page. Click and then type in hyveeaisleonline.com. Hit Return, which will take you to the Aisles Online site. Now that you're on the Aisles Online site, move your cursor to the top right-hand corner of the page and click the red Login button. This will launch a pop-up. If you already have an Aisles Online account, fill in your email address and password and click the red Login button at the bottom of the window. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. So click Create an Account at the very bottom of the pop-up. This will launch a new page where you'll enter information to create your account. Type in your first name, last name, and your email address. Then, you'll need to create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and you have the option of clicking the Show button to the right of the field so you can see the password you're typing in. Within the password, you have to use at least one number or special character like an exclamation point or an asterisk, at least one lowercase letter, and at least one uppercase letter. When you're done, click the red Create Account bar. The next page allows you to register your Fuel Saver Plus Perks card by entering your card number and phone number. Click the red Add Card banner, or you can skip this step by clicking the No Thanks, Maybe Later link. Now you'll enter in some information to build your account profile. This page will already show your name and email, so scroll down to My Hy-Vee and enter your city or zip code. Click Search, or click on the drop-down list to see the list of stores available to you. Choose the store you shop at most often by clicking the Select button on the right-hand side across from the store name. Scroll down the page to Feed Your Interests. Here, you can let us know about some of the things you like by clicking on any of these areas that apply to you. Say gardening or pets. That way, we can be sure to provide you special offers in these areas. When you're done, click the red Update Interests bar. That completes the creation of your account profile, and you can scroll back to the top of the page to start shopping. To get back to the Aisles Online site, look for the Hy-Vee logo in the upper left-hand corner of the page. Find the word Shop just to the right of the Hy-Vee logo. Click the caret or down arrow next to the word Shop, and a box will drop down. In that drop-down box, you'll see the Hy-Vee Aisles Online logo with the phrase Shop for Groceries to the right of the logo. Hover over the phrase to activate the link, and then click the link to go to the Aisles Online site. Welcome to your shopping experience on Aisles Online. There are lots of ways to shop for your groceries on the site. This search bar at the top of the page allows you to type in items you're looking for, like bananas. Type the term into the box and be as specific as possible. Now, either click the red search button at the far right side of the search bar, or simply hit Return on your keyboard. This generates items that match your search term. If this is the first time you're using the site, you'll see a box under all the items that says Select Store to add to cart. So choose an item, click the box, and that will generate a pop-up. You'll be asked whether you want pickup or delivery. When you select Pickup, you'll be asked to select the store where you want to pick up your groceries. Type in your city or zip code, and a list of possible stores will be generated. Scroll the list to find your preferred store. Move the cursor to the Select button opposite your store and click. You're back where you started, and now you can truly start shopping. Scroll through the items until you found what you want. Some items, like produce, will allow you to shop based on quantity or weight. Click your preference, and then click the box that says Add to Cart. Then you can adjust your quantity or weight up or down. Notice that when you click Add to Cart, this little red number in the upper right-hand corner of the page changes. The number associated with this basket icon reflects the number of items in your virtual basket or shopping cart. So every time you add or remove an item, the number will change. The search bar can be used to find items one by one, or you can search for multiple items all at once. Just clicking in the search bar generates a pop-up with a link that says Search multiple items in a list. Clicking that link generates a larger pop-up with multiple lines for you to type in your list of items. Remember, the more detailed you make your search terms, the better. For instance, don't just type milk. That will generate a multitude of options. Type Hy-Vee 2% milk instead. Being as specific as you can will narrow down your results and get you to the item you want more quickly. So let's say you want to shop for milk, sugar, butter, and eggs. Type in your terms and then click the search button. The page will populate with options for the first item in your list, in this case, milk. Find your milk, click Add to Cart, then scroll back up to the search bar where you'll see all your items listed as individual buttons. The first item, milk, is highlighted. Close the button using the X and the page will populate with items matching the next product in your list. Continue shopping and closing the corresponding buttons until you've shopped for all the items in your list. Another way to search is by department. Just below the search bar, you'll see a gray bar that reflects the different departments or aisles you're used to shopping in your own store. Move your cursor along the bar to highlight individual departments. When you want to search within one of them, just click. This generates all the items within that department. You can scroll down the page through all of the available items, or to help zero in on what you're shopping for, go back to the top of the page and look to the left side. You'll see the title of the department you're shopping in, and below it a gray bar with a red title, All. Listed below that are all the subsets of the department. So in pantry, you'll see bulk foods, and beverages, and breads and cakes, and so on. As you move your cursor down the list, you'll see that when the cursor hovers over the title, it activates a link. Click the link to explore in that section. When you click, the page will populate with all the items available in that section, and you can scroll through to make your selection. Scroll back to the top of the page and look back on the left side of your screen again. Beneath the gray bar titled All, you'll see other gray bars and titles. These are other ways you can filter your shopping experience. Want to shop by savings? Click on the caret or down arrow on the far right side of the bar. This opens up a drop-down list of ways you can save within that department. Click one or click them all, and the page will populate with the corresponding items. You can leave the drop-down box open or click the caret again to close the drop-down. Another powerful way to sort is by dietary considerations. Click the caret or down arrow to open the drop-down box. Then choose how you'd like to see items in that department by checking boxes. This will help you filter or narrow down the wide array of products that are available within various departments on Aisles Online. You can also sort by brand or sizes, all convenient ways to narrow down your search. Once you've used Aisles Online a few times, you'll notice the Buy Again banner across the top of your page when you log in. These are items you've purchased frequently in your past shopping sessions. It's a quick and easy way to stock up on your staples. Once you finish shopping, click on the basket icon in the upper right-hand corner. The resulting pop-up shows you the items you're purchasing, as well as your estimated subtotal. There is a $30 minimum purchase for Aisles Online, and if you don't reach the minimum, you won't be able to check out. If you have reached the minimum, this is the point to reserve a time slot to pick up your groceries. Clicking that generates a pop-up showing dates and time frames. You'll automatically land on the earliest available date, and then you'll scroll down the page to find a time slot on that date that works for you. Due to the unprecedented demand on this service, you may have to wait longer than normal. Now you can click View My Cart. This shopping cart page allows you to review your order and update your quantities. Use this opportunity to adjust up or down, adding or removing items. If you're not done shopping, maybe you forgot a few things, just navigate back to the home page by clicking on the Hy-Vee Aisles Online logo in the upper left-hand corner. If you're happy with your cart, click the red Proceed to Checkout bar on the right side of your screen. Now you'll be on the fulfillment page and you'll make some choices. When you logged in for the first time, you selected between pickup and delivery. This page gives you the opportunity to change that selection. It also allows you to change the store that you'll pick up at or receive delivery from. You can also change the time you want to pick up your groceries. Now, continue scrolling down the page and you'll be asked for a little more information. Your phone number, if you'd like to receive notifications that way, the type of bag you'd like, whether you'll accept substitutions, your vehicle type and color so it's easier to find you when you come to pick up your groceries. And you can even provide your personal shopper with special instructions by typing them in this box. When you're finished, scroll back up and on the right side of your page, click the red Save and Continue bar. If you clicked Let Me Choose regarding substitutions, the next page will allow you to make choices per item. You can let the system substitute the best match. You can accept no substitutions for that particular item, or actually choose the substitution that you will accept. Do that by hovering over the Let Me Choose title and clicking the caret or down arrow. This generates a drop-down box filled with like items that you can choose from for your substitution. Once you've made your selections, click the red Continue to Payment bar on the bottom right side of the page. Now you'll fill in your payment information. You can enter a Hy-Vee gift card on this page, and we accept all major payment card brands. Once you've completed that step, click Place Order, and that's it. You're done. You'll receive a confirmation email with your order number and other necessary details. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us through our customer support line or by email. But please be patient. Due to current heavy demand on the system, response wait times will be longer than usual. Happy shopping with Hy-Vee Aisles Online.